Hiya, welcome to today's tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to brighten up your home and make these really cute Easter bunny bunting. They look so much better in real life, but it's hard to take a picture of them when they're in the window. So Millie's going to do the tutorial today.
Hello.
Hello. Hi. And I'm going to do the recording. So what do we need, Millie?
You need an 8/4
Sheet of paper. Yeah.
A ruler, a scissors, a pink marker if you don't have coloured paper, a black marker and a glue stick.
Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is cut 2 strips of paper. So one for the body and one for the head. And you want one to be
9 centimetres.
Yeah, so we just recommend 9 centimetres and 7 centimetres. Basically what you need is your body to be slightly wider than your head so that he looks really cute like this. And you can also make them so that they can just stand alone like this. They don't have to be bunting when they're done. Yeah. Okay, Millie's going to get started. So she has measured her lines, and then what you do with them, you can kind of just demo it. Get giant scissors, cut it up, and what do you have then?
You have 2 pieces of paper. One is smaller than the other.
So we're going to turn them this way. So this wide piece of paper is your body. And then the narrow one, you can draw a really cute bunny face on, half in the middle. And we're going to show you how to make it. Okay, go Mel.
So, first you want to glue a strip of glue on the end of your body. And
okay, so you put a little bit of glue on the end of your strip. And
you want to glue it into a kind of tube, almost.
Yeah, it is a tube.
And then you want to draw a bunny face in the middle of your head.
Narrow strip.
And glue.
Now, you have to think about how you do this one once you draw your bunny shape onto it. So what I would do is turn it upside down and put the glue on either one end.
And you want to roll it up like you did with your body.
So that you have another hoop like that.
And then you want to put some glue kind of like on the bottom of the hoop.
Yep.
And stick it on like so.
So that you have a figure 8.
And then
really cute. Look at him. Are you missing an ear?
I've coloured in.
So what she did was she cut out 2 ear shapes. So if you draw a B, sorry, my camera's in the wrong place, draw a B and then cut it right down the middle, you'll have 2 perfect bunny ears.
And then you want to colour it in if you don't have coloured paper. And you want to bend it back.
Yep.
And glue on the bended bit.
Yep.
And stick it on the top of your head.
Stick it on the top of your head. What did you think of making these, Luke? Were they hard?
Easy and fun.
Easy and fun. There you go. Anyone can make them. And actually it was great because they made loads of them earlier to make bunting. And we're going to make more to hang up all around the house.
And then for my feet, you've got a bee.
Yeah.
And you glue.
So she cut out a big giant bee, or you could do individual feet like I did for this guy. So I just cut 2 little individual feet and stuck them on. But Millie's been super efficient and doing them together. And then you stick his feet on. And then he's a lovely bunny. Now he does fall over. So if you don't want him to fall over, you can and you want to just keep him on the table, you can just put a little weight inside of it like we did with this.
Or put a tail on.
Or put a tail on. Luke is right. So if you put a little tail on the back of it, it just balances it so that it won't keep falling. But if you're making bunting out of it, the next thing you're going to need is some string. So what you're going to do is you're going to get your string and you're going to put it through the heads of all your bunnies.
And then you can tape it to
and then you can tape them in place so that you have loads of them. So you could have a whole collection of bunnies just in time for the Easter bunny to arrive on Sunday. Okay, so that's how you make your Easter bunny bunting.
Bye.
Bye.